Namaskar, my friends. Welcome back. We have walked through the 3 phases of a run. Today, my favorite rule of the whole talk, and the one with the most leverage. I never want to give the same review feedback twice. From that one sentence, a whole way of working unfolds. Chalo. Recall the review phase from last time. Now imagine you keep leaving the same comment, run after run. Annoying, na? The master engineer makes a vow, I never want to give the same review feedback twice. Everything today hangs on that vow. Here is the key reframe. When you find yourself writing add a timeout to this call for the 3rd time, that is not the agent being foolish. It is a signal there is missing context in your system. Every repeated comment is a guardrail you have not built yet. So you encode that comment as a static guardrail. Take it out of your tired human head and put it into a lint rule, a type, a test, something the machine enforces every single time. You turn a polite request into a wall the agent simply cannot cross. Let us make it concrete. You are tired of flagging network calls with no timeout and no retry. Instead of repeating yourself, you ship an ESLint plugin. A rule called noBearFetch that errors and demands a wrapped call with a timeout and retries. Now the linter does the nagging forever. But a guardrail is only real if it is airtight. So you give that rule full coverage with table-driven tests, then run a codemod to migrate the whole existing codebase. Every bear fetch becomes the safe wrapper. Old code and new code, both clean. Now the mistake can never come back. Another live example, type safety. You forbid the any and unknown escape hatches everywhere, except at the true edges, like root request handlers and database inputs. This is subtle. By banning any, you force the agent to define real types, which forces proper decomposition. A guardrail that quietly improves the design. Now a beautiful idea, code as prompts. Every line already in your repo is, in effect, prompting the agent. It reads your patterns, your naming, your helpers, and copies them. So if you standardize those patterns, you reduce the agent's attention load. Tidy code is itself a guardrail. Now the most counterintuitive lesson. For decades we said shift left, catch problems as early as possible. But early means human time. So here you often shift right. Push the intervention later, where it is cheap and automatic, to save your scarce synchronous attention. And there is a natural progression, a ladder of permanence. You start by just trashing the output and reprompting. Then you write it into prose docs. Then a reviewer agent enforces it. Finally a static check makes it law. Each rung needs less of your attention than the last. Stack all these guardrails and you build a funnel. Every possible mistake pours in at the top, lint, types and tests strip them away layer by layer, and only acceptable software comes out the bottom. The golden thread, enforced by machines, not by your patience. So let us tie the thread, the way your old school master always does. 1. Never give the same review feedback twice. Every repeated comment is a signal of missing context, a guardrail you have not yet built. 2. Encode it. An ESLint plugin for timeouts and retries, a no-any rule that forces real types. Give it full coverage and migrate the whole codebase, so the mistake becomes impossible. 3. Shift interventions right, not left, to save human time. Climb the ladder from trash and reprompt, to prose docs, to a reviewer agent, to a static check that needs no human at all. Next time, the final episode, treating the agent as a teammate you must convince, demanding evidence, and the nightly dream over data that quietly makes your harness smarter while you sleep. Learn it properly with us at AI Academy, link below, first lessons free. Till then, build good walls. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.